Not me.
It's time to book.
Necron's Embrace now accessible. Wow.
You know, now that I think about it, I don't even know if I did the first alliance raid for Thought
Wait,
2.
everything's gonna.
I don't think you did.
Oops.
Whoops.
There you go. I'm not sure where the rest of that quest would be though, Hazel.
Oh,
I think you'd have to go back to
Wait, is it...
it's either Mamook or like the actual like area.
No, I'm just stupid girl. I realized I was on Bonnie.
Oh.
So the quest is just like red, and I was like, I don't see shit.
Let me go
Oh.
read real quick.
I was like, I like looked it up. I was like, it is in Tuliyola.
I think I missed.
Oh, I see it.
It in fact was in Tuliyola.
Yep.
Why did I just see two different Moogle or fucking Chocobo Lalafels wearing the Moogle slippers?
Oh.
And I don't think they're related, like whatsoever. They were just like both there.
I'm having some problems.
The Mamook.
Mamook.
Everybody's eviling out in Final Fantasy. These fucking glams. Everyone look like a fuckboy. It's getting crazy. Like, why I just saw a fucking shirtless Elizin with the fucking baggy pants and a snapback walk by me. Bitch, put on a shirt. I said them making the called my butterfly. And Missy clocked.
What happened?
She was saying Missy called their fucking bun boy a fuckboy. And what was I about to say? Do hunts. I'm not doing all that. I'm gonna do once a week, Chev. Get my fucking Alliance raid coin, and then that's it.
I'm trying to kill these witches, which are like summoning. Go
You
ahead.
kill those witches, Ace.
What's the new A-raid called?
We freaking love you, Ace.
No, they killed me.
It's Juno, right? The first log?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I have it unlocked, I just never did it.
Oh, you never did it?
Yeah.
It's like still in your quest log?
Yeah.
They got the second walk available now.
Mm-hmm.
Who also want to help me with that?
Have you gone into the dungeon yet?
No, I unlocked it though.
We're about
You
to
should
do
go
it.
in. I was gonna say you should go in with the blue and Chub. If you wanna go with them, Hazel, I can help out. I might do the Alliance raid, honestly.
Oh, who needs to do the dungeon?
Shab, Blue, and Sassy.
Okay, I'll invite Shab and Blue. Oh, you're in a party. Well,
Why Shab responded nastiest? But you see, this is what I've been saying.
See, Shab is so fucking mean to me for no reason. I was like, okay, I'll invite you guys and start a party, and then we'll go and do the dungeon. And you're just like, call me a homo.
Like, we're already in a party, you fucking idiot.
Just fucking kick me while I'm on the ground and spit on my face or something. Jesus.
I almost said something. I'm so glad I didn't. This is why I open your stream to remind myself. Girl. Oof.
And they're still being mean to me. What the fuck?
My teeth were biting onto my lips so fucking hard.
Dumb, big bitch, like.
Nah, who you talking to like that? I
Can you
remember
guys-
down there.
That's what Shab just said, like.
Can you guys leave that party so I can invite you? Smile. You did? Okay.
Let me see that driver's license. I need to know your height.
You guys have fun on that place. I stand with Hazel!
I can heal, but someone has to tank.
Wow, Shably. The only one